Japanese small kana sounds. In Japanese, Youon is a special way to combine sounds using small hiragana or katakana. It helps create smoother, blended sounds in words. How it works. 1. Start with a big hiragana like ki, shi, or chi. Add a small ya, you, or yo to change the sound. Example. Ki plus small ya becomes kya. Shi plus small u becomes shiu. Chi plus small yo becomes chio. Pronunciation? It's not kia, but kya. It's not shiu, but shu. Why is it important? Many Japanese words use youon, like kyaku meaning customer, shukudai meaning homework, choto meaning a little. If you say them separately like kyaku instead of kyaku, they sound strange.